Welcome to We Learn. If find the video helpful, subscribe for more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon as well to get notified about my next coming video. Human blood. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in the external or internal environment. Blood contributes in homeostasis by transporting O2, CO2, nutrients and hormones to and from your body's cell. Blood plays a vital role in maintaining homeostasis by transporting substances, regulating body conditions, and protecting the body. Blood regulates body pH, temperature and also protects against disease through phagocytosis and by production of antibodies. Cardiovascular system consists of the three main components: heart, blood and blood vessel. Study of blood, blood formation and disorder related to them comes under study of hematology. Blood and interstitial fluid play important role in cell oxygen and nutrient or eliminate waste and carbon dioxide. Blood is liquid connective tissue, consisting of cells surrounded by extracellular fluid. Extracellular fluid is also known as plasma or blood plasma. Cell-like RBC, WBC and platelets are suspended into it. Interstitial fluid is the fluid that surrounds and fills the spaces between body cells, keeping the cells immersed in it and is continuously made by blood. Jumping onto functions of blood. Blood does transportation of elements like O2 and CO2 and of nutrients. This takes place in simple pathway: blood transport O2 from lungs which diffuse from blood into interstitial fluid and then to cell. Carbon dioxide and other waste move in reverse manner from cell to interstitial fluid, then to blood, and finally goes to organ like lungs, skin, kidney for elimination. Similarly, blood carries nutrients from gastrointestinal gland to cell, it carries hormones from endocrine glands to other body cells, and at the same time blood also transports heat and waste products to various organs for elimination from the body. As blood circulates, it helps keep all the body's fluids in a healthy, balanced state by delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells, removing carbon dioxide and waste products, maintaining the correct temperature, pH, and water balance, transporting hormones and other substances needed for normal body functions. The sentence, blood helps regulate pH through the use of buffers, means pH is a measure of how acidic or basic, alkaline, a substance is. The normal blood pH is 7.35 to 7.45, which is slightly alkaline. Buffers are chemicals in the blood that prevent large changes in pH by neutralizing excess acids or bases. Buffers are chemicals that convert strong acids or bases into weak ones. Blood contains a lot of water in its plasma. Water can absorb and carry heat, so blood transports heat throughout the body. When your body gets too hot, blood vessels in the skin widen, vasodilation. More blood flows close to the skin's surface. Heat from the blood is released into the surrounding air, cooling the body. When your body gets too cold, blood vessels in the skin narrow, vasoconstriction. Less blood flows near the skin. Less heat is lost to the environment, helping keep the body warm. Key points. Blood plasma contains water, which absorbs and carries heat. Blood osmotic pressure influences the water content of cells, mainly through interactions of dissolved ions and proteins. Means. Osmotic pressure is the force that causes water to move across cell membranes. Blood contains dissolved ions, such as sodium, chloride, and potassium, proteins, especially albumin. These dissolved substances create osmotic pressure, which controls the movement of water between the blood and body cells. How it works. If the blood has more dissolved ions and proteins, water is pulled from the cells into the blood. If the blood has fewer dissolved substances, water moves from the blood into the cells. This keeps cells from becoming too swollen, by taking in too much water, too shriveled, by losing too much water. Example. Imagine a cell like a balloon. If too much water enters, the balloon swells. If too much water leaves, the balloon shrinks. Blood osmotic pressure helps keep the balloon at the right size. Blood clotting prevents excessive blood loss. When a blood vessel is injured, blood clots, changes from a liquid to a gel-like mass. The clot seals the wound and stops excessive bleeding. This prevents the body from losing too much blood. Example. When you cut your finger, a blood clot forms and creates a scab. White blood cells protect against disease. White blood cells, WBCs, defend the body against harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. They do this by phagocytosis, which means they surround, engulf, and digest germs and other foreign particles. Blood proteins help fight infections. Several proteins in the blood also protect the body. Antibodies recognize and attach to specific germs, helping destroy them. Interferons, proteins released by virus-infected cells that help prevent viruses from spreading to other cells. Complement proteins, a group of proteins that destroy microbes, promote inflammation, and assist antibodies and white blood cells in eliminating pathogens. In short, blood protects the body by forming clots to stop bleeding, using white blood cells to destroy disease-causing organisms through phagocytosis, and using proteins such as antibodies, interferons, and complement to fight infections.